bia kwaba e de ba attention TV so monim say attention de ya ba ne de na ya pa me pa cho bo mo de bia say obe like na wo de comment aba na afide we pia share ade ama afoforo no mo hu ne e ko me din ade ama sancha me akwase mensa amonim say encheye e na beto dwa say Yvonne e de krata bi ana say book bi e de abambo antene so a book ne mu nsem bebre na eno mu ana okobo abrante bia e friend Sarkodie edin na Sarkodie nso onim say Sarkodie de bibiza no ombie na no enkasa e social media so na ade ono ode ne dia akoye ndwom to no ode ne dia aye ndwom to no e na ndwom ya back out a ndwom ne title no ye friend try me no because try me so dia onim say na eko ene nti say na ndwom ya bai amanfo bebre e ka ho nsem say Sarkodie wankasa ye ananse ndwom no mu nsem no sebio na ano aye den kakra na eno na diamond Appiah e dia betu dwa say so no ono so de ya ba ne say yemfa kasa enya ndwoma kasa hare de ya de oya de yi pa wo mu ene nti wetie nyum no ohwe no Sarkodie nsem o kan ni nyina ebia ni wa eche say gu ge no fun wegu Yvonne hu fi na answer na ye bekwa kwahwe video no me pa cho e ma ore mfi say wo be like na wo do comment aba na afidi we pia share e de ama afoforo no mo hu ne ko nti me pa cho yenkwahwe nsem a diamond Appiah nso editu dwane bi
and also o decide say or share the story abobon crofodino. The right thing for her to have done first was to consult all those people and inform them, said this is what I want to do, are you okay with it or not? So mama will consent, say okay bomidin woma fine no and there nipa not in dia onim say onwana wama will consent and say yeah, but let's all assume say one kasana o two fie no oh sorry one day now ex-boyfriend bia on ne kotwem na years ago abetro book no obobo wudin wo mu e na me ne da e na me ne koya abortion ya de make us say wa ware no kunu ne o manati o to say na sack ne ne manati no how will you feel? You know it's not right and a honey pet any de mani anje ho book ne ho because Sark is married with his family. Inti no aseme twemu bia first camera wo de discard bre wo de but ono first camera no no uko boni din wo na Ghana for be dragina. Honestly enye good for ono so ne brand. Let's all understand each other. Who Yvonne who the project or brand o but ono so no is defaming his brand in another way. Inti no honkwa de entwe yi. Let's call a spade a spade. Say na maka from the beginning no. Me supporting the oye and they say oh publish it in a story. Yeah, it's something we should all applaud her for. But a Dina or Bobo woman, she could have told her story without mentioning those names. Inyanya say on ware in Tebia we and Shadan Hanu. Or no call the veteran flex say yes. Yvonne Abomidi because me na dated that. A cool man or cause on ware. But Sarkodie while we're in the family net. Inti a honor and ye mame. Apart from that, in there, whatever she's doing with her book, you know, it's her life. Inti a Sark so doing what he does best, which is rap. Yeah, sorry, and Appiah who's also releasing basa, or also they telling the side of the story. What were you expecting him to do? Because on Arthur and on also a cultural book, need the any so music. Inti a wabeka asem. Atone so also enim found on also expressing himself on his music. And I'm say oh didnt term me I used to be a rapper. There's something called word play. And ya term did you but I say oh try rapper. So you see rhymes be near the idea bema rap na sounding good. He's just playing around with words. And yes oh didnt term me tie rap no. Me as I term the because I used to be a rapper. So I understand the game. And I term the but if I would say on a normal level now, only much about rap no. Oh, be as I term the day. Baby or car so or ye street near the he was just trying to express himself, say, oh she a girl no no feel so he's dating the hottest girl in the game near the wafan the World Cup. But later no nya hints be say, oh Irana wafan the World Cup no. Other niggas is so bow. Internet is just wordplay. Someone says, and yes, oh, didn't attempt say, oh, you street girl and not Debbie. Or no, so that is the way Otimi telling a story through rap. Intimate ladies, say, oh, pese, atechebe for one. Don't go and call for rain. And I don't go praying for rain. enjoy your sunny weather in peace. Because the moment ube so afraid na me say let it rain or then so talk na boa at the chene be for Miss Rema. Intino, the moral we should all learn here is that enyo be maybe and abeba be kana say in public obey din ahwe obi obeba be respond obi sure on feel. So let's choose the men we open our legs for wisely as women. And secondly, kissing and tell no dear Miss Remo mo bi anye bi be enye entwe ye ewraba nye sa. To the extent that we bodin, if you want to tell your story, tell it without the names. But to the extent that we bodin to put other people's brand in the mud in the any right. But book need you applauding it for that. Why I dare say what about I share a story. I share whatever she went through in life. It's her life and we applaud her for that. But body count Nankawa nya sema anka uko date street boys no ase nya vim abetro mo din wo book mo now we expect them street boys they will meet you with bars so cause omo street so no mote so what in the bars no so no a street boy it's ka wa onim say that we betro book no ka say we date only corporate guys omo bu omo ferry omo a omo nkasa sa no betro mo din wo mo book ma de on feel no feel de obe feel so anu ama ne lawyers you omo level no but obebobo street boys in there they'll meet you on the streets with violence and omo lifestyle you can't take it away from them. So mama blame me sack. Oh no, he's doing what he does best, which is rap, because he's a street boy. One year corporate boy. Smart say
Eje nsama Diamond Appiah editu dwane ebina okotie no mepa chaw bomodin bia se obe like na odo comment aba na afidi we pia share ade ama afoforo no mo hu ne ekọ me din ade ama sanche ame akwasi mensa.